Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to ITTI Computer World. So आज चाहिँ हामीहरुले हजुरहरुको लागि ल्याइसकेको छौं brand new laptop in the market, the Predator Helios Neo 16 2024 with i9 14 gen को processor. As we all know, this is 2024 and lots of AI features are coming on. So this laptop is also packed with some AI features rather than its powerful CPU. So right after the unboxing, we get the laptop packed safely in this black form. Okay, so let's have the first look at the laptop. So यो laptop को first look में हजुरले एकदम premium feel पाउन सक्नुहुन्छ and the Predator logo is at the center, comes with the lighting feature and the laptop को top panel is built out of metal, so एकदम tough छ यो चाहिँ अनि weight distribution पनि यो laptop मा एकदम राम्रो छ. So you can open the laptop with your one hand. Ports हरुको कुरा गर्नु पर्दा back panel मा हामीलाई एउटा charging port, HDMI and 2 USB-C port दिएको छ. Left side मा we get Ethernet port, USB port, micro SD and 3.5mm port. अनि right side मा चाहिँ हामीलाई 2 USB port दिएको छ. And also the laptop feels very tough, so तपाईले यसमा screen wobbling अनि keyboards हरुमा minor flexes हरु त्यस्तो problem हरु issue हरु face गर्नु पर्दैन. अनि यो laptop gaming laptop भएको भएर यसको weight चाहिँ 2.8 kg छ र चार्जर को add on गर्ने हो भने almost 4 kg पुग्छ. So you need a pretty good muscle to carry this laptop. Since this laptop is packed with AI features, so तपाईले यसको keyboard मा एउटा Windows Copilot को लागि dedicated button नि पाउनुहुन्छ. Coming to its display, यसमा हजुरले पाउन सक्नुहुन्छ 16 inch को WQXGA IPS panel with 240 Hz को refresh rate. अनि it also supports NVIDIA G-Sync, so high FPS game हरु खेल्दाखेरि तपाईले screen tearing को issue हरु त पाउँदै पाउनुहुन्न. Color gamut को कुरा गर्नु पर्दाखेरि हजुरले यो डिस्प्ले मा पाउन सक्नुहुन्छ 100% sRGB, 99% DCI P3 rating. So हजुरले फोटो एडिटिङ गर्दा, भिडियो एडिटिङ गर्दा अथवा कन्टेन्ट कन्जम्पसन गर्दाखेरि कलर्स हरु यसमा एकदम पञ्ची र शार्प पाउनुहुन्छ. As I said earlier, this laptop is packed with AI feature. So यसको क्यामेरामा हजुरले Windows Studio सपोर्ट पाउनुहुन्छ जसले गर्दाखेरि हजुरलाई AI features like auto reframing, eye contact and background effects, many more effect हरु पाउन सक्नुहुन्छ. Now the very important and crucial part of the laptop which make this laptop a gaming powerhouse. यसमा हजुरले पाउनुहुन्छ i9 को 14900 HX processor with 24 cores and 32 threads and max turbo speed up to 5.8 GHz, which make this laptop really insane beast. Also हजुरले यसमा एकदमै powerful NVIDIA को RTX 4060 8GB को graphic card पाउनुहुन्छ. So हजुरको high performance works हरु easily handle गरिदिन्छ यसले. And we also ran some benchmark test on this laptop जुन चाहिँ हजुरले आफ्नो स्क्रिनमा हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. Coming to its memory and storage, यसमा हजुरले 16GB को DDR5 5600 MHz को RAM पाउनुहुन्छ. So most of the use cases मा यो enough नै हुन्छ र यदि फ्युचरमा कहिले पुगेन जस्तो लाग्यो भने it is expandable up to 32GB. Storage को कुरा गर्नु पर्दाखेरि यसमा 1TB को SSD दिएको छ, so read and write speed एकदम fast छ as you can see on your screens. So यति नै थियो आजको भिडियोमा, and if you want to grab this laptop at an amazing price, हजुरले ITTI को वेबसाइट or मोबाइल एपबाट डाइरेक्टली अर्डर प्लेस गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. And अहिले हामीले मोबाइल एपबाट पर्चेस गरेकोमा केही डिस्काउन्ट अफरहरु पनि राखेको छौं, so you can browse through our mobile app to get heavy discount on some laptop. This was all for this video. See you on the next one.